Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove your dual SIM cards. Okay, so when I first got the phone, it was real simple to insert both SIM cards. However, yesterday when I tried removing one of the SIM cards, I realized that it's actually quite difficult to take out the SIM cards. I had a bit of trouble taking them out, so I thought I would make a video showing you guys how to remove the dual SIM cards if you have any problems taking them out. Okay, so what you will need the SIM ejector tool, and you will need a safety pin, safety clip. Okay, so first of all, just power off the phone. So press the power button on the side, keep it held down, then power off. Okay, so once it's off, use the SIM ejector tool and push it into the little SIM tray hole there and push down on it. And then you can just use your nails and pull it out like that. Okay, so as you can see, I've got two SIM cards in the tray there. But trust me guys, there's nothing there. There's no little groove or anything that you can actually put your fingernail in to take it out. There's no little button or nothing you can press to kind of eject it out. They're basically just stuck in there. And if you try to bend the tray a little bit, it doesn't just pop out. So what you actually need is you either need a pin or a needle or a safety pin like what I'm using, or even a paper clip. And if you look here, there's a small little gap. Let me just try to focus. There's a small little gap right there. Just take the end of the needle or the safety pin and push it into that gap there. And just lift it out like that. And then all you have to do now is just push and take out the other SIM card. So yeah, it's that simple, I guess, once you know how. So yeah, that's how you remove the dual SIM cards from the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. And when you're done, if you just want to have one SIM card inserted, just pop back in your SIM card. So just look for the cut-off piece here on the SIM tray and look for the cut-off piece on the SIM card and just pop it in just like that until it makes that little click sound or that little pop sound, and then place it back into the SIM tray and you're good to go. Power back on the phone, and yeah, you're good to go guys. So yeah guys, that was my video showing you how to remove the dual SIM cards on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. I'll see you in the next one guys. Deuces.